Imagine this. You wake up one morning. You grab your phone. You open your banking app. And your entire balance is zero. Not a mistake, not a glitch. It's just gone. Now imagine the panic rushing through your veins. Your heart pounding. The endless questions screaming in your mind. Did I get hacked? Did I lose everything? How? Who could do this? You call your bank. They put you on hold. The music plays. Minutes pass. By the time you finally reach a human voice, the money is already gone. Transferred. Laundered. Hidden in places you'll never see again. And here's the most terrifying truth. It wasn't a human thief. It wasn't a hacker in a dark room. It was artificial intelligence. An AI system, smarter, faster, more ruthless than any criminal in history, emptied your account in seconds. This is not a science fiction story. This is happening right now. In Hong Kong, in the United States, in Europe. Everywhere. Banks are scrambling, governments are panicking, and cybersecurity experts are sounding alarms. Because for the first time in history, criminals don't need to be smarter than you. They just need AI. Stay with me, because in the next 15 minutes, I'll show you the shocking real stories of AI theft. How AI actually breaks into your accounts. Why banks can't stop it. And what you can do before it's too late. This isn't just about money. It's about trust, security, and your future. So let's dive in. In early 2024, a finance officer at a multinational company in Hong Kong received a video call. On the screen was his boss. The face was familiar. The voice was perfect. The office background looked real. The boss urgently instructed him to transfer 25 million USD to a partner account. The employee complied. But here's the twist. It wasn't his boss. It was an AI deepfake. By the time investigators realized, the money had already disappeared into offshore accounts, broken into dozens of smaller transactions, impossible to trace. 25 million gone in a single call. In Arizona, a mother picked up her phone. She heard her daughter crying, "Mom, help me, they've got me!" Her voice cracked with fear. The mother's heart stopped. She was ready to send ransom money, thousands of dollars, to save her child. But later she learned the truth. Her daughter was safe at school. The voice she heard? An AI clone. Generated from just a few seconds of audio pulled from TikTok. The FBI confirmed AI voice scams quadrupled in 2023. Across Europe, banks reported a rise in AI chatbots mimicking customer service agents. Victims believed they were talking to real employees. In reality, they were giving away passwords, OTPs, and private banking details. Interpol later issued a warning. AI fraud is now the fastest-growing crime in the world. AI doesn't hack like old-school criminals. It uses speed, scale, and deception. Voice cloning. With as little as 3 to 5 seconds of audio, AI can replicate your voice perfectly. Deepfake video. AI generates video calls in real time, fooling even trained employees. Password cracking. AI tools can test millions of combinations per second. Phishing 2.0. Chatbots pretending to be bank staff, tricking you into verifying your data. Automated attacks. Instead of one scammer, AI can launch thousands of scams simultaneously. The scary part? Banks designed their security to stop humans. But AI isn't human. It doesn't sleep. It doesn't hesitate. It just keeps attacking until it wins. Elderly customers who trust phone calls without question. Families posting voices and videos of their kids online. Small businesses with weak cyber defenses. Anyone using weak passwords or SMS-based two-factor authentication. Cybersecurity experts warn that within 3 years, 80% of current bank security systems will be obsolete. This isn't just about individuals. It's about the global economy. In Asia, billions are being siphoned through AI-assisted fraud. In Europe, regulators are scrambling to write laws against deepfake banking fraud. In North America, ransomware gangs are already using AI to bypass corporate firewalls. And here's the big question. If AI can already drain accounts, what happens when it starts controlling entire financial markets? You can't stop AI criminals. But you can make yourself harder to target. Multi-factor authentication. Use hardware tokens or biometric security, not just SMS. Password hygiene. Unique, long, unguessable passwords. Instant alerts. Activate notifications for every banking transaction. Never trust urgent calls. Hang up. Call the bank directly. Limit what you share. Every TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook video is fuel for AI cloning. So can AI really empty your bank account in seconds? Yes. It already has. From Hong Kong to the US, millions have been stolen. Not by men with guns, but by algorithms. Invisible and unstoppable. Banks are scrambling to fight back. But here's the brutal reality. Criminals are ahead. And this isn't just about money. It's about trust. The moment you can't trust a voice on the phone, the moment you can't trust a face on a video call, the world changes forever. Think about it. What happens to society when trust itself disappears? When your boss could be a deepfake. When your family member's voice could be a scam. When your bank balance could vanish in seconds. This is not the future. This is now. Subscribe right now, because in my next video, I'll expose how Wall Street hedge funds are secretly using AI to manipulate the stock market. That's billions of dollars at stake, and you need to know how it affects you. The AI revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And if you're not ready, the next victim could be you.